Welcome to the chapter Post Installation TODDs under the module Exploring Linux Operating System. You can see I'm in the Post Installation TODDs chapter under the course Getting Started with Linux. After our Ubuntu Linux installation is complete, we need to perform some of the post installation tasks for the proper functioning of the system. In this chapter, we are going to discuss 5 important tasks that we need to perform. First and the most important task we need to do is to download and install the latest updates. So let's open the terminal, and as mentioned in the previous chapter, Control Shift plus icon to basically increase the font, and Control L to basically clear the screen. Now you can do Alt Tab to switch between these two windows. The first is download and install the latest updates. Why it is required to download and install the latest? Because the latest updates has some security or bug fixes. Just copy this and paste in the terminal. Control Shift V. Okay, again Control Shift V. It's not Control V, it's not Shift V, it's Control Shift V in the terminal to paste. Now enter. It will ask you the password. Hope you remember your password. I entered my password. Now you can see it has started to control minus to basically reduce. Let me do, yeah, now, yeah, it is visible properly. Now you can see it is fetching the packages. So if you are getting this message, then it simply means that right now we are unable to update the package since the package manager has been used by some another process. Okay, now you can see you can also update from UI, and here it basically asks me to update. Okay, so let me install the updates. I am now installing the updates. It's asking me password, and I just enter my password. Now it is downloading the updates. You can see our packages has been downloaded, and now it is unpacking and then it is getting installed. So yeah, we are in the final stage of installing updates, and yeah, you can see it says to restart our computer. So now you can basically do restart later or now. So let me do restart later. uh, let's go to other things. So you can see this sometime if command line doesn't work, then there is a UI. And now the another, so the difference between apt-get update and apt-get upgrade is simple. The apt-get update fetches the latest version of the packages list, and it doesn't download and install those updates. However, the apt-get upgrade will download and install the updates. So basically, if this command line doesn't work, then you have to go to updater, software updater. Okay, and then click on it, and it will basically start checking the updates, and if there is new updates available, then it start installing those updates. So here our updates are already installed, so it just says restart your machine. So we will do later. Now the second important task we need to do is install the Synaptic Package Manager. So this Synaptic Package Manager provides us the graphical user interface for all our apt-get package manager packages. So let me install it, copy, and then paste. You can see I can now install it. So it's available now. If I do window icon and then Synaptic Package Manager, you can see it's available and it's asking me password. So this is the Synaptic Package Manager, and close. And now you can see I have all the kind of uh, all the packages listed here, and I can basically do whatever package I want to install. Let's see, MySQL is there. Yes, you can see MySQL is there. Okay, so it's basically to install the packages from UI. The next task is installing the GNOME extensions. So GNOME is basically our all the user interface environment in Linux. So we can basically enhance it by using these extension. It's similar to how we use the Chrome, where if we add Chrome extension, then it provide another layer of features. So these are all optional. For example, application menu. So here you can see if you install this application menu, then you will get this kind of application menu bar rather than our you know the basic one. Okay, so this is all optional. The fourth important task is system cleanup. Okay, so um, since our installation is very new, so it might have produced some junk files or some unwanted cache. So to clean the partial packages, just copy this and then paste here. It will just clean up these. You can see these unwanted packages, and then to remove the unused dependency, just copy this, click this icon, and then paste here. You can see it says it is basically removing 101 MB of this space. And the last is to clean the apt cache. That is, apt is the our package manager. So once installing, it basically use some cache mechanism. So this is to clean those cache. I just cleaned it. Okay, and finally install VLC. So VLC is one of the most popular open source based all-rounder media player, and it can play modern media files as well. So to install it, just copy this and use Snap. Okay, so it will basically install VLC now. So Snap is uh, is one of the recent package manager, and it's a cross-platform. It's available in other Linux distros as well. So it is cross-platform. You can see our VLC has been installed, and the version is 3.0.18. So let me check. Then same again, window icon and then VLC, and then you can see our VLC is there. And yes, now I can basically have VLC player. Yeah, that's all from this chapter. In the next chapter, we will try to explore the UI based file system. See you there in the next chapter.